Hi, this is Gals and Grace, and we are so excited for you to be here today. We are doing vision boards to start off the new year.
Setting goals.
Keeping a positive mindset and outlook on our year to come. So if you like what you see, make sure that you subscribe, like, and ring that bell.
Okay.
All right.
So let's get to it. And then when we're all done, we'll share our vision boards with you, explain them to you, and hopefully this inspires you to do the same thing. Set some goals for the new year and just start things off right.
That's right. So here we go.
Gals in God's grace.
So all you need to make a vision board is, first thing is poster board. And then we have a ton of magazines here.
Yeah.
So we're going to find pictures of what we want to add to our vision boards.
Yeah.
It's something that's maybe symbolic of something that we're setting for our goals this year. And then, of course, scissors.
Scissors.
And a glue stick.
Oh, and I forgot the most important thing. And a good friend.
And a good friend.
Aww.
Make it a girls' night. Oh, no. This is the most important thing.
Oh, yeah. Cheers.
The wine.
I wish that I could just garden all day. I wish I could just work on my house and garden all day.
Oh, me too. The only problem is when I'm at home, I see my bed, and then I'm like, I want to take a nap.
Oh, yeah.
I love to nap. I really just love to nap. Do you want this gardening picture, Trish? Well, it has little kids in it.
Where? Yes! Oh, heavens to Betsy. I want this just because it's super cute. Thanks, girl. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the kitchen of my dreams, and I'm trying to find the bed that I really want.
I really want to do my bedroom. Like everything.
Pretty
Complete
headboard.
overhaul. I want to get, we probably want the same kind of.
You want the cloth one, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All the girls. You think Cambria has one? What the heck? Oh. Wouldn't that be a great staple piece?
That is probably, yeah, it's a redo.
Mm-hmm.
Before, because it's like
Bamboo
bamboo.
hutch. Look at that, Kara. Do you see what I see?
I want to do ocean theme, but I want to do like all white and gray
Okay.
and like bare wood.
And I'm looking for a really pretty kitchen.
Like I don't want it to be all blue. You know what I mean? Like I want hardly any blue. Is that weird?
No, look at this. Look how cool these doors are. I really like the blue idea for a porch. Pause. Okay, so in high school, I remember, how did I do it? I think
Well, red lipstick was one.
red lipstick. Oh yeah, I used to wear red lipstick in high school, and this one girl that didn't like me, she used to walk by and go, "Nice lips," and they're like, "You like them?" Booyah. Oh, wait, I said it in a Christ-like way though. But I think I pulled my hair back like this kind of or something. I was like in 7th grade. And I remember this girl coming the very next day and wearing that same style. And I was like, oh, yes.
Oh, I have a great story for you, Trish.
Okay.
Do you remember when I was wearing my hair like that a lot? This poof right here, every single day. And Trish was like, you wear that hairstyle a lot. You should do a different hairstyle. And I'm like, Trish, you know why I wear it like this, right? And you're like, no, why? Do you remember? I was cutting my own hair and I was trying to thin it out. It's like real thick right here. And I pulled up this big section of my hair, looked in the mirror, and then I grabbed the scissors, snip. And it was not the thinning shears. It was the regular scissors. And so I had a piece of hair that was like a chunk like this. So I had to wear my hair every day. I had to like cover it up.
Oh my gosh.
And
I
Trish
don't remember
was
that.
laughing at me. She's like, are you serious? She goes, I thought you were just like stuck in the same hairstyle and you couldn't.
Your blonde hair. Who does your hair?
this really great girl. She's like, she takes her time.
Does she listen
always
to you?
listens to me. I didn't like the blonde in the front, so I said, can you please do it like this?
Oh my gosh. Does she ask questions?
Yeah, and she gives me great conversation.
And is she busy? It's hard to get into her.
Yes. And her name is Trisha.
Oh, thanks. That's me. Glad you like it, girl.
Yep.
Okay.
It's great.
I can relate.
Oh, do you want this for booty goals?
Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is freaking awesome. Together, oh man. I want to do my dresser that's inside my bedroom a color. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. That's actually kind of a grayish color.
Like a gray blue.
So if you do a gray with like a hint of blue, it'll look really blue.
Oh yeah. I think it'd be pretty in there too because I have a lot of like whites and stuff. Look at this color. I love this color. My eye is always drawn to this color.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was considering doing this table.
What is that?
Deep turquoise.
It's almost kind of navy, but it has a greenish to it.
Yeah, it's like a deep turquoise. A really deep turquoise.
And I'm more drawn to like this color, more like the seafoam, like the lighter turquoise.
Okay.
Like my hydro flask.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yes.
Which is weird because I don't want it in my house.
Oh, really?
But I like it in my clothes, but not in my house. Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you. Oh, I love that. Look at that. I want a white kitchen, gold, white countertops. That's what I want. It only takes a second to get pregnant.
Do you know what's amazing about each and every one of us?
What?
We already beat the odds just being born.
Oh, yeah.
Like the fact that we are alive is amazing.
That's
was
kind of a cool way of looking
Billions
at it.
of when we became a person and we won the race.
No, it was just that wrong race.
Yeah, but that's part of our DNA. Like that was us though. Like we won the race of all this. We made it to the egg first.
Wait,
We won the race. Like we did it.
wait. Oh, wait, you mean the egg won the race?
I mean, no.
Babies are nutritional?
yeah.
We're half the egg and half the. But before we were a person, half of us was, and we swam our tails off and we won. We won the race.
That's right. Half of us was.
Yeah. We won. Out of billions of. How amazing is that we won?
Oh my god.
All of us are winners. All the winners in the race of life.
Oh, I love that. That's it. I need some coffee. Everyone.
Oops. We beat the odds through history. Like the fact that we're here this late in the game
That's true.
means that for our ancestors, each moment in time had to be orchestrated perfectly for our existence.
Tara, you want some coffee?
No, thank you.
God's life is here, Amber. He had a plan for us.
I'm done.
I know, it's crazy. So we're all done with our vision boards. I started up here in this corner. Basically, this is career, YouTube. I know money's at the top, but the reason why is because I've had a lot of debt and I really want to focus on getting myself out of debt this year, at least less debt. I probably won't be able to pay it all off, but I would like to get out of debt, and I'm hoping to do that with a career change. So this is all about career, boss, in all of our career aspirations. I know you and I both, like, our goal is to be our own boss.
Oh, okay.
And
I was
then-
wondering.
And then the flag is just chasing the American dream by having
Yeah.
our own business.
Yeah?
And then obviously the camera for YouTube there. Inspired by You is, for me, that's about YouTube. The TV is about YouTube. You know, house tours we're going to be doing. And then also the cleaning. And then again with the debt, that's like the biggest thing is I want to get out of debt this year. So
Yeah,
that's
I
a
think
big
that's
goal.
awesome.
And then down here I have health aspirations. So I just want to continue working out. These people here with the medals, I'm signed up for 3 races this year.
So proud of
So I put super fast here. My goal is to be fast and do well in these races. I want to keep eating healthy, but I also want to keep it real and not deprive myself. So I've got
Right.
dark chocolate there. And then I've got, this kind of refers to our channel also, the fun decorating. And then I have some like ocean inspired decoration, which is, this is about Christmas, but I would love to redo my bedroom this year in an ocean inspired theme.
Okay.
And then here's more of like kind of mental health. Like I want to get more sleep and it's time to move forward, just like putting the past behind me, having a forward thinking mindset, looking on the bright side and being happier.
Oh.
And then I'd like to get a new car. I've had my car for 11 years. It's over 200,000 miles and it's like starting to break down. So I would like to get a new car this year. And then over here, I love the ocean. We're close to California, so I like to visit California. So this is just about taking some time to hopefully take some vacations and visit the ocean because I love to do
You
that.
are. We are.
That's right.
You all are.
So
Okay.
vision board.
Amber, I love it. Okay. I didn't get to see hers because I was busy with mine, but when she put it all together, it was really nice. Okay, I'm going to put it up over here, but please don't get like sidetracked because of the cute booty right here in the corner. I aspire to have something kind of like in that, you know, that shape. Okay, so mine's kind of all over the map, just like I am. Actually, I'm probably gonna put it over here so it'd be easier. Okay, Amber, I don't mean to.
Do you want me to help you
Oh
hold
yeah.
it?
Okay, perfect. Here we go. Okay, so this is health up here. That's going to be my butt or close to it. This says no ordinary onion because I am not an ordinary onion. I am.
She has many layers.
And many layers, yes. Reinvent your home. Something counts. I forget what that said. Yeah, that counts or whatever. Something counts. Smart solves for organizing for success. Live healthy. She has a fresh look. Exercise, yoga. And then coming down here, kind of mental health, same as Amber. My husband and I love to go camping, so we have camping here, and then we have camping right here, which I think is awesome, which helps create balance, power to keep you rolling right along, wholesome naturally, enjoy being small in a giant world. I just think all those are great sayings. It just kind of creates a healthy mindset, which is important. And then I would love to have a new car as well. Mine has over 200,000 miles, so that would be awesome. I would love to be a grandmother someday. That's, I guess, all in God's timing, but I was thinking of my little granddaughter here, and then a little baby right there, and oh, look at those cute little bums. Because how sweet it is. The power of what we love. Togetherness. This would be my husband and our granddaughter someday. Make yourself at home, and just these are homey things to me. I love gardening, and just this nice natural ambiance is very enticing to me. I have like outside settings which I love to entertain, and we gather together. A kitchen that I'm excited about remodeling. This was kind of my favorite. This is friendship. I have a lot of really great friends in my life. Amber being an amazing friend. It made me feel all nice and warm and cozy inside. There's one thing in here that I wish I would have put, And I didn't see anything, but it was just continuing to build a relationship with the Lord and just
Yes.
keeping a good balance. That's important to both Amber and I. So I'll
Yes.
speak of that for both.
Yeah, one of the things too that I didn't get to put on mine was I'd like to read a lot more books this year.
Yep.
And I think you do too.
Yes, I do.
I would love to read some more books about just personal growth and just having a positive mindset.
Yep. Yeah. Ditto that.
Yep.
Anyways, we really enjoy you.
The
being
biscuits
here
are by
with
my
us.
face now.
Oh, that, yeah. Don't you wish you were hot like Amber? That is what your biscuits look like.
No.
Yeah, they do. I know we
Maybe-
talk a lot
maybe
about
20 years
biscuits.
ago.
Oh my gosh, Amber.
We have a thing with biscuits.
I know. We ever since my kids were little, I would always pinch their biscuits and spank their biscuits and then kick their biscuits out the door.
My daughter's nickname is Binky Butts. And sometimes we call her Biscuit Binky Butts.
A little binky.
Thank you so much for joining us for these vision boards. We had so much fun putting them together. I hope it inspires you to
Absolutely.
look forward to this year in a positive way and make some goals for yourself. And thank you so much for watching. We hope you continue watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button,
And ring that bell. Bye for now.
Bye.